Meaning of geothermal.
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 Geothermal. Geothermal refers to the heat that is generated from within the earth. The word geo means earth and thermal means heat, so geothermal energy is essentially the heat that comes from the earth. This energy can be used to generate electricity or provide heating and cooling for buildings. Geothermal energy is a renewable resource because it is constantly being replenished by the natural processes of the earth. It is also a clean source of energy because it does not produce greenhouse gases or other pollutants. Overall, geothermal energy is a promising alternative to fossil fuels.